Hello, dear kids. Today we are going to draw two best friends, a book and a pencil. Let's start. First, draw two big, round eyes for the book. One eye is closed like it's winking. Now draw a big, smiling mouth. Then, draw the shape of the book like a tall rectangle. Now draw arms on both sides the book is waving. Also add a bookmark on top of the book. Next, draw two small legs under the book like it's jumping. Now let's draw the book's best friend, the pencil. First, draw the eraser cap on top. It's round in shape. Now draw a long pencil shape that's pointed at the bottom. Draw two big, happy eyes on the pencil. Add a big smiley mouth too. Draw arms and hands on both sides of the pencil. Look, the pencil and book are holding hands. Such a cute friendship, right? Now take a black marker and make all the lines bold. It looks even better now. Now it's time to color together. Blue color. Color the top part of the pencil with blue. Brown color. Color the bottom part. The tip of the pencil was brown. Yellow color. Color the pencil's eraser cap was yellow.
little boy.
color. Now fill the whole book with pink color. Green color. Color the pencil's arms with green. Yellow color again. Now color the book's arms and legs with yellow. Red color. Finally, color both friends' tongues red, and also color the bookmark red too. Wow, kids! Amazing! Your book and pencil are ready now.
Yay!